My house. This is my house. My house has a roof, windows and doors. There is a beautiful garden in front of my house. The garden is filled with different kinds of plants and flowers. Between the door and the garden, there is a path. The path is made up of stones. The path leads to the pool. The pool is at the back of my house. The other side of the path leads to the garage. My parents park their cars in the garage. Let us climb these stairs to go inside my house through the door. This is the drawing room. It has sofas, bookshelves and a TV. This is kitchen. Here, my mother cooks tasty food on the stove. This is bedroom. It has a bed and a side table. This is bathroom. It has a tub, a sink and a toilet. This is my study room where I study in the evening.